You should probably have goggles on.
No, we have it all taped up. It's not gonna.
Trying to see how it activates.
I think you punch that down. You just slam it against the glass.
So apparently this is supposed to break glass in case of emergency.
I want a pound of flesh.
Pound of flesh?
It matters not to me where on your anatomy it is withdrawn from.
Woo!
Wow.
Yeah, slice the shit out of my hand too. Well, that works.
I know it works. Thank
Hey.
you, Just
Give her back the.
Owie.
Go wrench your hand out.
I'm bleeding. Well, it works. Test successful. We're going to try porcelain to see if it works any better.
Foul ball.
And it's split in half too. Hi-ya.
Foul ball.
Hi-ya.
It's out.
How about that?
Big enough piece.
It just took a little bit of cheek. Porcelain does the trick. How about them apples?
Wow.
All right, let's see if Duncan can
Get it on one try.
make this window
We're going for the back.
his
window,
B-I-B-I. Yeah. Say, go for it. Hell yeah. One hitter quitter. Hell yeah. What glass?